Through quantum theory, we already 100 years ago had moved from the mechanical mind to the quantum mind. And yet we are stuck mechanistically in the way we produce food, the way we organize society.
It is my strong belief that a change towards a lastingly viable society cannot be achieved without the knowledge imparted by art.
And we ask the question, can environmental art reconnect us with the history, culture, and ecology of the landscape?
The whole Himalayan ecosystem is now threatened. Its sustainability is in question.